Working on a new intro, Madness fam, so bear with me. In this video, I will be making General Tso chicken with white rice and broccoli for my family. This is a beginner's video. I never made this before. You don't want to keep your fingers close because you could cut your fingers. So you either go like this or you keep your hand. Remember to always clean your chicken before cooking. So I put in lemon juice because I don't have lemons right now, but I do have lemon juice. So I put in just a little bit of lemon juice because you don't want the chicken to taste like lemon, and cold water because you don't want to cook your chicken under the hot water as well. And you just clean out your chicken, get all that nasty salmonella out of it, and you do it about 2 to 3 times until the water is clear. And make sure you leave a little bit of water on the bottom of the chicken because we are going to we're going to coat it and cover it with cornstarch so we could then make our General Tso chicken. Don't forget to like this video, comment down a squirrel and a heart because that's our thing. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe right now and join the Madness fam. Hey.